In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Dropbox. Dropbox is a popular cloud storage service that makes organizing and sharing your files a breeze. To get started, we're going to begin by logging into your Dropbox account. If you haven't created an account yet, you can do so by visiting the Dropbox website and signing up. Once you're on the login page, enter your login credentials to access your account. You'll then be directed to your home page, where you'll see all your existing files and folders. Now let's dive into creating a new folder. Look to the top of your Dropbox homepage and you'll find a button labeled New. This is essentially your gateway to creating anything new within your Dropbox account, whether it's a document, presentation, or in our case, a folder. Click on this New button and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Folder. This is where you'll lay the foundation for organizing your files, so choosing to create a folder is a great way to start maintaining order. After clicking on Folder, a prompt will pop up asking you to enter a name for your new folder. Naming your folder thoughtfully can go a long way in helping you find your files quickly. Consider how you plan to use this folder and choose a name that best reflects its contents. Once you've settled on a name, type it into the field provided. Next up, you'll see an option called Who Will Have Access. This is where Dropbox's sharing capabilities really shine. Clicking on this option allows you to set permissions for your folder, deciding who else besides yourself can view or edit its contents. You can invite specific people by entering their email addresses, ensuring only the people you want to have access to. Make sure to review these settings thoroughly. You wouldn't want important files to fall into the wrong hands. Once you've customized your sharing settings to your liking, the final step is to click on Create. And voila, your folder is now live within your Dropbox environment. You will see it appear alongside your other files and folders. Now that you have your new folder, you can start uploading files to it, organizing documents in a way that suits you best, and even share it with collaborators if you need to. Creating a folder in Dropbox is a simple yet powerful way to structure your digital workspace. It lets you categorize your data efficiently, makes it easy to share and collaborate, and ultimately helps you stay organized. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.